The directions for use are diffusing 6 to 10 drops in an 8-hour diffuser to promote a restful night's sleep, and the aroma. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of Hawaiian sandalwood essential oil. From a renewable source in Hawaii, doTERRA's amazing sandalwood essential oil delivers a variety of benefits, including smoothing skin and enhancing moods. With thousands of years of documented use, this oil has a high value to many users. Hawaiian sandalwood has a rich, sweet, woody aroma that instills calmness and well-being, making it a perfect oil to incorporate in massage or aromatherapy. Sandalwood is very soothing to the skin, making it highly sought after in body and skincare products. Hawaiian sandalwood can reduce the appearance of skin imperfections while providing an overall youthful looking complexion. In addition to being soothing and beneficial to your skin, Hawaiian sandalwood provides the same effects to your mood, helping to lessen tension and promote emotional well-being. The top 3 common uses of doTERRA's Hawaiian sandalwood are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of Hawaiian sandalwood are that it promotes healthy looking skin, enhances mood, and reduces the appearance of skin imperfections. The directions for use are diffusing 6 to 10 drops in an 8-hour diffuser to promote a restful night's sleep, and the AromaLite diffuser or Lumo diffuser are a couple great options for that. You can also add 1 to 2 drops of the sandalwood oil with fractionated coconut oil to improve your skin appearance on your face and neck, morning and night. And I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil right here. So this is going to be a great carrier oil, non-greasy, no smell, and perfect for topical use because it reduces the chance of irritation from the essential oil, helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin because these are volatile aromatic compounds that basically evaporate really quickly, and this also will help you cover larger surface areas on your body. And so fractionated coconut oil is amazing after a shower or part of a skincare routine. And then lastly, you can take 1 to 2 drops of this sandalwood in a veggie capsule morning and night to support your health as well. And then the veggie caps here are what I use from doTERRA, and so you just take one out, then you would place inside the capsule, and then take with food and water for best results. And you'll want to choose a reverse osmosis, alkaline or distilled water, as well as whole plant foods for best results when it comes to the quality of those items. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.